In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website from scratch using a blank template. If you're new to Wix and want to explore its powerful tools for building an engaging website, you've come to the right place. We'll begin this journey at the Wix website editor. So, let's dive in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you've already signed up or logged in, you should be good to go. Upon opening the editor, you'll be greeted with a clean slate. This blank canvas is where your web creation magic will happen. Begin by looking for the Add Elements section, which provides a wide range of tools and features at your disposal to construct a visually appealing site. Once you click on Add Elements, you'll see an assortment of components you can integrate. Here's where you can let your creativity run wild, choosing elements that align with your website's objective. Did you know Wix also offers an AI section generator? This can be a handy tool, offering automated design suggestions to get the ball rolling faster. After exploring the elements, head over to the About section to add personalized information about you or your business. Following this, dive into the communication aspect of your site by selecting the Subscribe option, allowing users to stay updated with your content and services. Getting ready to launch your ideas is just a click away with the Generate button. This not only helps in bringing structure to your content, but also prepares it for public viewing. If you're aiming to make certain parts of your text stand out, opt for the Highlight tool. This can emphasize your key messages effectively. Change is good, and the Change Background feature in Wix lets you give your site a new look and feel. By clicking on Image, you can replace or choose images that perfectly resonate with your site's theme and style. With these steps, you've laid the groundwork for your site. But your designing journey doesn't stop there. Experiment with the Change Design and Customize Design options to refine the aesthetics of your site further. Attention to detail here can really make a difference in setting your website apart. Don't forget about your footer. It's an integral part of your website. Engagingly design it by exploring the box design feature and then make your site more personalized, continuing to use Highlight for emphasis where necessary. Lastly, head over to Start Designing Your Footer to ensure your page has a cohesive finish. Once you're comfortable with the basics, take time to explore more by yourself. The world of Wix is expansive and full of potential for your creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment and tweak things until you're satisfied with the final product. Now, go ahead and explore it by yourself. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to mastering the Wix platform. Happy designing!